Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Fedex customer account. To log into your Fedex account as a customer, the first thing to do is to visit the official page for Fedex. Open up a preferred web browser to get started, and in the URL box type in fedex.com and press enter on your keyboard. From the main official web page for Fedex, click on Sign Up or Login at the top right hand corner. Now click on Sign Up/Login and you will find yourself in the Fedex login page. Type in your username and then your password in the respective text boxes. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID so that it will be easier for you to log in next time, check on Remember My User ID box. But if you are using a public or a shared device, leave the box unchecked before logging in. If you don't remember your user ID or your password, click the Forgot Your User ID or Password link and follow through the instructions till the end to look for your credentials. After filling in both of your credentials correct, click on Login, and this will then log you into your Fedex account as a customer. So that is how it's easily done. You can now access your profile, manage your address book, update your login credentials, retrieve or reset your passwords, handle billing and report tasks, and much more. That's it for today's video. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.